Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the tesa ceiling hook for wallpaper and plaster. 0.5 kilogram. This is a really good option instead that you use a drill and a hook system for it. If you does not like to damage the ceiling, you can use such like a hook here. To attach decoration, such as a marble without drilling. The ceiling hook for wallpaper and plaster with its revolution of hook heads is the right choice. It's easy to attach and take off without a trace. You can see the first step is we have to perform the system onto the hub, and then the hub. If we attach the hub itself to the to this hook itself, and then it fixes there. It's really easy. The ceiling hook for sensitive surfaces, wallpaper and plasters. Mounting baby mobiles and other decoration items without drilling. In my case, it was very light. It holds objects up to 0.5 kilograms. And it's really easy. One hook has a diameter of 60 millimeter and 3 strips in it. So if you like to remove one strip, no problem. You can use the second one or third one. This ceiling hook here for sensitive surfaces, that means wallpaper and plaster. Mounting baby mobiles and other decorative items without drilling, and this is the main fact behind it. You do not have to drill a hole. You do not have to set a plug, and you do not have to use a screw to let it on the object. And this holds objects up to 0.5 kilograms. These are 500 grams, and it's really easy on and off. No tools, removable without a trace. Reusable with new adhesive strips, so you does not need, if one of the hooks is should be go to another location, no prop for it. You does not need to buy a new hook system. The only thing you have to do is buy a new adhesive strip, or use the adhesive strip which is included, of course. To attach decoration like a fairy light without drilling onto the ceiling. It's a ceiling hook for flat surfaces and wallpapers and plaster with its revolution of hook heads. This is the right choice for it. It's easy to attach and easy to remove. Only pull on the strip again and let it come off the wall or the ceiling. The ceiling hook is for all kinds of things because it can hold objects up to 500 gram. This is a half kilogram. It's easy and on and off. No tools required. The values is the section should be considered the presentative or typical only and should not be used for specifications purposes. The type of the adhesive, the holding power up to is 0.5 kilo, and the type of the adhesive is a synthetic rubber. The application temperature should be 15 degrees Celsius. No chemicals resistance, no hazard material, no humidity resistance, and the material is polystyrene, PS. The oil and grease resistant, no, and no ozone resistant, and it is residue-free removal, and this the best fact on it. You does not need to drill, and you can remove it. And of course, because 3 of the adhesive strips are included, so you can use it on 2 new locations. The first location, the second, and the third. That's, I think, is a really cool thing and a really nice alternative against drilling and screwing, of course. This is the tesa ceiling hooks for wallpapers and plaster. It holds up to 0.5 kilogram, and it holds it really good. Of course, if you attach it, let it rest there for 12 hours, and after this 12 hours you can use your 0.5 kilogram with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.